guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. Today I have one hell of a box, so to put that in perspective, that is my Manix 2. That is how large this box is. I don't know how I can do this with my setup, so I am going to open it up and then see if I can show it off a little bit and kind of take it from there. My unboxing knife for the day is the Kershaw Launch 10. I'm just going to try to cut a window in the box and then show that. This was a tray that we made recently. Got some cool stuff in the trade, so let's see what we got. Very nicely packaged, by the way. Very nicely packaged. So first and foremost, we have bubble wrap. Can't get enough of bubble wrap. I need that stuff. You know what I mean? And this stuff's awesome too. Dude, where did you get this stuff? I'm literally going to keep it so I can ship this out to some other people. Alright, so we got a couple more fixed blades, which is interesting because I don't have any fixed blades other than my QSP Bison. This, I believe, is a custom Kiradashi, I think it was. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is a Tanto style blade. Really, you guys know me with fixed blades. I'm going to get into them, but I just don't know enough about them right now to really talk too much. I mean, to me, I am not somebody that's going to use something with, say, just the regular no handle style. Maybe I'll use this to practice my handle making skills because I do have the tools to do so. Kind of. Next on the list, we have a large Kaiser box. See if this tells me what it is. Alright. Here we go. I'm going to actually get rid of this box now because it's kind of hindering what we got going on. Alright. Large Kaiser. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Kaiser Lancer. So a very interesting blade shape, very heavy for what it feels like, and I don't have a problem with that. You guys know I kind of like heavy. The handle is a little short, but it works, and I feel like I could actually do, food prep and stuff with this thing. That's kind of sweet, This is an S35 VN blade. I forgot to tell you what this one was. I think this is a Cryo D2, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure what the significance of a Cryo D2 would versus like a regular D2. I would have to look that up. Let's see if there's anything underneath here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That's what I'm freaking talking about. A nice Kydex sheath with a Tek-Lok clip. Now that's cool. I have a very similar setup for my QSP Bison, and it's just a totally different feel than my Bison. This is a much more, this is a much more stabby blade, and I feel like they're both gonna have their own place. I'm pretty excited for both. So this one, I'm excited to try and make my own handle for and see what we do there. I got a couple cheap pieces of micarta slabs here that we're gonna take our own stab at. And this one, this is pretty sweet. Let's see how slicey she is, huh? Oh yeah. Stupid slicey right there. So, very, very happy with that. Very happy with this guy. And I'm excited to expand my fixed blade rotation. You guys know me. I don't know fixed blades well enough, but I know it well enough that it's a knife and I enjoy it, right? So between that and it's like a custom Kiradashi, I forgot what the name of it was. Yeah, feel free to jump in here, Steve, anytime. It'll help me out. But moving on, we also have an Olight 3T EOS. Wait for it. Titanium. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm stoked. So Jake, thanks a lot, Jake, got me hooked on Olights. or not Olights, but just lights in general as like a carry. And to put that in perspective, to show you my everyday rotation here, was not ready for that. My everyday rotation lately has been my Vero Engineering titanium pry bar, and I've been carrying my carbon fiber titanium 0562. So, as you can see, I'm building a team. Avengers Assemble, right? So I'm pretty excited to get that. This is going to go very well with my everyday rotation. These fixed blades in this were traded, so these are some pieces that I got and are going to be mine. Now, he did send some more stuff in, and to get to that stuff, this is for me to review and send back to him, so I also thoroughly appreciate that. That's super cool. You guys don't know how much I appreciate the content, because it's difficult. When you guys are running a channel, try it. Just see how difficult it is to upkeep with content and your finances. Alright. So very, very stoked. Thank you, Jake, for getting me onto knives, and thank you, Steve, for this. This is cool. Alright. Let's move on here. Let's see what we got to review. This is a sweet knife pouch, by the way. Alright. That'll be the last one. I know what that one is. This is the mini Kalashnikov Dessert Warrior. Friggin' hilarious. Oh my goodness. I haven't yet to hold the donut. And so it's about time. It's a must. Yeah. I'm excited about that. That's cool. I don't know if I'm going to carry it to the mill. I might get made fun of, you know. Never know. Oh, hey, look. There's the bobby pin, hairpin, or hair clip, or pocket clip on there. This is a Gerber. Holy smokes, is this thing way bigger than I thought. Is that a that's what she said moment? Yup. I believe this is the Gerber flat iron. This is pretty cool. This kind of reminds me of like the old school barber knives, right? Like I feel like I should be able to shave my face with this. Very well loved, as you can tell. A very tight frame. I mean, it snaps open just fine. That frame lock's really, really tight in there. Zoop. Yes. All right, so I haven't reviewed a Gerber since probably the Gerber Guppy. I don't even know that I've reviewed a Gerber knife anytime. So I'm excited to get to this guy. I know this is it's kind of like Gerber's coming out with a couple ones that are worth a damn of looking at, and I think that's one of those. This one, I believe this is the Kershaw mixtape, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, first of all, dude, I think that edge is pretty damn sharp on there. I felt it kind of bite into me. But I'm going to go with the Kershaw mixtape. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. The action on this actually isn't too bad, and I know this is a cheaper knife, I think. I mean, the detent, there's like hardly any detent, so if there was a detent in there, this thing would be extra snappy. Yeah, I mean, you see that? If I had a detent, man, that thing would snap open. And that thumb disc, I usually don't like thumb discs, is placed in a very good position. So, you know, I don't know how much these run. I think these are cheap. I'm excited to review something that is worth a damn and cheap. So hopefully that kind of fits the bill, right? Last but not least, this I know is his baby. I believe this is the Damn Designs Oni. So this could be a front flipper, I'm guessing. Holy smokes, is that tight? Wow. All right, hold on. I was doing it wrong. Yeah, it's not that tight. Holy crap, that's cool. Ergonomically sound for 2 fingers is really not that bad. I mean, you're not going to do any heavy cutting. This is like one of those that... Let's see if I can reverse flick this tiny... Oh my gosh. So, action-wise on this guy, pretty sweet for a tiny little knife. And I'm assuming this is titanium. It kind of looks like titanium. Titanium pocket clip, I'm guessing. Frame lock. And I need to look at how much this thing costs, dude, because this has milled titanium on the inside, too. And that's not cheap to do. So, I mean, I'll look it up after this, but if you guys want to link it or, like, show it in the comments below, that'd be cool. But the front flipping action's fun once you get the hang of it. When I first tried, I took it from a wrong angle. But, oh yeah. Yeah, you get a lot of power behind that. And the grip and the positioning of it's really sweet. He said that there was a chip in here. Here, give me a second. Yeah, I see it. Okay, it's going to be hard to see, but there's a chip right in here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a tiny little chip, and you can tell he was doing some puncture tests with that because it's almost like he rolled the point. And I'm not sure that I could fix the rolled point. I mean, I'm sure I could kind of sharpen it out of it just like a regular chip. But I don't want to take off too much material out of this. This is an S35 VN blade, and this thing is, I get it. Like I was trading him some, and I'm like, what about that little guy? And he's like, that little guy? Yeah, don't worry about that little guy. You know, like, and so you got a feeling that it's like the guy's baby. Like he kind of wanted what I was trading, but he also didn't want to, you know, like give up certain things that were special to him. And I get why that guy's special. That's a very cool little piece. So thank you so much, Steve, for sending this stuff in. Super, super stoked. This is going in my everyday rotation. Excited to put that on the pocket. And yeah, so that was the trade. Plus this is his stuff. This stuff's got to go back to him. Let's get out the rest of the trade materials again real quick. We have this is the Kaiser Lancer. We have a custom Kiradashi, I think it was. And then we have this piece here too. Boom. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and seriously, genuinely, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great freaking day, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.